Hello my darlings, and welcome. In this video, I create handmade Litha jewelry to celebrate Midsummer. Let's do some magical crafting. This will be a matching set of earrings and a necklace. Starting with a headpin and a teardrop-shaped golden bead, I create a drop pendant for the necklace. Eventually, the teardrop will connect to a silver sun bead as the central design. Litha is a fire festival celebrated on Summer Solstice, also known as Midsummer. This is the longest day of the year, which means it's also the shortest night. Much of Midsummer is about celebrating the sun. So I decided to make this jewelry in sunny golden colors with sun charms. A limited number of these pieces will be available on my Etsy store, and I'll leave a link to the shop below. I create an eye pin out of 20 gauge wire and string the silver sun bead on it. The next step is to create several eye pins using my jewelry making tools and a 20 gauge silver tone wire made of nickel. You can also purchase pre-made eye pins if you don't want to have to make all of your jewelry findings. I'm creating 6 eye pins for the necklace. This jewelry set took me just under an hour to make and requires 2 smaller sun charms and 1 larger sun pendant, a little less than 20 faceted glass beads in various sizes, 20 gauge jewelry wire, necklace chain, and some jewelry findings such as jump rings, 2 ear wires, a head pin, and a clasp. On each side of the sun pendant there will be 3 honey yellow beads made of golden yellow faceted glass. The beads will graduate from large to small. This means I need 2 large beads, 2 medium, and 2 small beads, each on eye pins. However, the small beads were so tiny, I decided to use 2 on each side. Next, I'm working on a pair of matching earrings. So again, I'll be making 2 eye pins out of 20 gauge wire. On each eye pin, I'm stringing 1 large, 1 medium, and 1 small faceted glass bead. This creates 3 beads of graduating size. Then I close off the pin with a second eye. On the bottom eye of each earring, I'll attach a small sun charm that complements the sun bead in the necklace. On the top eye, I attach an ear wire to create an earring. I repeat that process to create a second earring and make the pair. I really like how these earrings came out. The design is simple yet eye-catching. A limited number of these earrings will be on my Etsy shop, and I'll leave a link to the store below the video. Now it's time to assemble all the parts of the necklace and watch this piece of jewelry really come together. I attach the golden teardrop pendant to the silver sun bead. This will be the central pendant for the necklace. Next, I attach the individual beads from large to small on each side of the central pendant. Now that we have the beaded part of the necklace complete, it's time to add some silver-plated chain. So I measure the beaded section and determine that it's 3 inches long. To create an 18-inch necklace, I'll need 2 pieces of chain that are 7.5 inches long. I measure and cut 2 pieces of chain and attach them to each side of the beaded section. To complete the necklace, I need to add a loop on one side with jump rings and a clasp on the other side. Each time I work on a side, I make sure the loop and clasp are securely attached by tugging gently on the chain. And here's the completed set of jewelry. I love the way the necklace came out, and I think the pieces really complement each other. I'll be listing both the earrings and necklace separately and as a set on my Etsy shop. If you're interested, I'll leave a link below. I hope this video has given you some ideas for some DIY jewelry to celebrate the midsummer season, and I hope that you have a blessed Litha.